Okay, so there was a patch that came out for Avada that fixes cropped image sizes not being hard cropped. Please regenerate thumbnails after applying the patch. So you may see this occasionally from time to time where you have to regenerate the thumbnails. And what do? So what you need to do is you need to come over to the plugins and click add new plugin and search for force regenerate thumbnails right there. And we are going to upload this one. And this one instead of this one, the reason why, because it's compatible with our version of WordPress, which is the newest one. So you'll see there might be other ones that have more, like for instance, I think this one, but this is the one that has been the best. So we're going to install now. And activate. And then we will go to leave media here under settings. Or nope, we're going to go to tools, force regenerate thumbnails, and then regenerate all thumbnails. And it's going to go ahead and go through the process. You do not have to wait for it to be done. You can leave this page or just go to a different page, leave the tab open, and come back to it when you're done. When it's completely done, I would recommend uninstalling the plugin. Just deactivate it and uninstall it, and you're good to go. You can always use it on demand by adding it back in the next time that you need it.